Hi, today is another lecture of JavaScript. In this lecture, we will learn about click event. When I click, its JavaScript function change an image. I am using here img_id. Okay, here the name of the picture and same ID I'll call here. Then this will apply onto both images. Okay, see how to do this. First, I'm saving it like image.html. Click change image. Okay, I'll give to one heading changing images. Okay, now I want to create image function. Okay, like here you see here image. Okay, then which hide and the image name. Okay, like here first I want to create line ID. My image, then src. Okay, give any image name, and here is I want to give this with any name, like you can see here in this folder, and location is same, your file location and picture location is same. For example, file name is what? Image. See here, where is image? This is image, and same location, all images here. 1 2 3, this is the image name. Just put in here any image name. For example, I want to give the name like 3.jpg. Okay, and also I want to like another property 400, the image size, and height is also 400. Press Ctrl S to see it like here. Okay, I add here width and height properties. These properties width and height apply onto both images because ID is same ID you can call here. Then button click. When I click picture one image is hide and other is show. One image is show and other is hide in picture 1 and 2. Button space is equals to on click document, same function, only my image I'll call here dot, that the image name. 1.jpg. Okay, and picture 2. This is image name and this is also picture name. See how to do this. Button. Okay. As you see here. Okay, type is equals to button you required or not required. Okay, it's no problem. If you can start it directly, you can start like on click. My image, for example. Okay, on click my image, and in this criteria you must first calling what document function dot get okay by id my image. As you see here, my image, and that give a picture name, any name, dot src. Okay, for example, I want to give the name for dot jpg, as same here, as you see, dot src. Okay, this all of the document is same. Okay, like here, and you must type something src dot, and this will now cover it. And you see here, you must type src equal, and like here you must the image name, and you give the name, for example picture 1. Press Ctrl S to save it. Now other one, on click. Okay, on click. Now same here, like document, and you see here coding syntax is same. Save it. Okay, my image dot src is equals to, okay, the name of the picture 3.jpg. Okay, you must here you type single quotation, and this will Also you must understand, start here double quotation and closed, and only picture is single quotation. Press Ctrl S to save it and give the name is picture 2. Press Ctrl S to save it. Okay, now image file name is what? Image. Click and open it. Okay, this image, when I click picture 1, it's changed. Picture 2, picture 1, picture 1. You can see here it's changed. This code is here, and you can also change the width and height. This is the all of the code, and you can also see here the code. I'll adding here width and height properties.